In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Facebook account private. For some reason, you want to make your Facebook account private, but you don't know how. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Facebook homepage, navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Proceed to scroll down until you locate settings and privacy and tap on it. This will land you on an interface like this. Proceed to tap on settings. Under settings and privacy, when you scroll down a bit, you can see audience and visibility. Proceed to tap on how people can find and contact you. With this selected, you land on an interface like this with who can send you friend requests. Make sure to tap on this icon and select friends or friends. And with an answer on who can see your friend list, make sure you select on only me by tapping on this and proceed to tap on only me. And with the inquiry on who can look you up using email address you provided, make sure to select on only me. So when you scroll down a bit, make sure you select on only me. And with this, do you want search engine outside of Facebook to link to your profile? Make sure you toggle this off and also proceed to toggle this off. And that's it. You have successfully made your Facebook account private. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.